Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Dravit Grey Metallic with the Fiona Red interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Dravit Grey Metallic. You can see that we've got the row plate, tow hook plate installed right now. We're going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And once we've completed this lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. Now, if you're wondering what's the difference between 2026 and 2025, from a option standpoint, none. The price has increased though. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the details. We got Dravit Grey Metallic, one of my favorite BMW colors. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know how much I love this color. And I think, I don't know, I might have some influence in a number of Dravit Grey vehicles that come to our store, but this one is no different. Beautiful. So we've got the lines coming down, we've got the sculpted arches right at the front. BMW rondelle over here. We've got the vertical kidney grills with the horizontal slats. I see the radar here, so this one does have the advanced driver assist. We've got the black M4 badging on the driver's side. And I can see here, there is the row plate installed from the tow hook. And we've got it out of the way of the sensors, so it should be positioned in a way where it won't trigger anything. Personally, I'm more of a fan of a no plate, but I know that that is absolutely illegal here where I live. But it might be worth, getting pulled over once every couple of years and paying for that to have no front plate for the look. But at least the tow hook doesn't drill anything. Now, when we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that these are the individual Shadowline BMW LED headlights with the blue accents. So turn them on here. We've got the snake eye design. And we saw a little bit of that welcome light flicker there. So you know what? Let's get a better look at that. Just gonna lock it up. Lights will turn off. And here's that welcome light animation once again. It looks really cool. And you know what? Let's just do full low beams, pathway lighting on. So there it is. We've got the little stacks of LEDs there. And the main low beam is there as well. That looks good. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear, double spoke 826M wheel in jet black with the red M compound brake back there. I love the contrast. Some of you will say, well, the red M compound brake isn't the same red as the seats. It's fine with me. I think they're close enough. I think it looks good. Now we've got the M4 Competition air breather on the fender. This doesn't actually have any air coming through. And then we've got black rocker panel down here. We've got black M wing mirror. We have a carbon fiber roof with the two grooved lines going lengthwise on the vehicle. New style antenna. And side profile view of the vehicle. That just looks menacing. And another thing is I want to remind you all, the M4 and the M3 fender are not identical. The M4 has this line. The M3 does not have that line. And if you look at old school like 3-liter CSL, it's a similar line. But anyways, slight difference on M4 fender. And of course, we don't have a rear door, so you can't see this popping out as much as you can on the M3. But in terms of width, this rear quarter is just as wide as the M3. It's just a bit more apparent because the rear door. And we've got the little spoiler on the tailgate here. And if I come to the back, you'll see that we have the beautiful laser tail lights. Everyone knows this is my favorite. Love how that looks. And for the LCI, we have the M4 Competition badging in black with a silver lining. And we've got the rear view camera integrated into the BMW rondelle at the back. And then down here, we've got the vertical reflectors, quad exhaust tips, rear diffuser. Back end just looks awesome, especially with the laser tails. And I'm gonna say, now when I look at the non-lasers, they appear outdated, but I will still accept them. Now we've got the key here. There's no kicking on M3, M4. So let me press and hold the tailgate button. That opens up. So we do have some release levers up here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Grocery bag hangers on this side. There's the box for the row plate. There's the front plate bracket that comes from factory inside of this little plastic storage bin. There's also a glow-in-the-dark handle here so you can get out in case somehow you've got stuck in here. We also have your carpeted mats. The winter ones are in the floor. And then in this netted area, we have a tire inflator kit with tire sealant, wheel lock, key, tow hook. All that's ready to go. And lots of trunk space. And up here, if I press this, this is close and lock. We'll just close for now. So there it is, the hands-free way. Sweet. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open this. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and you just shut the door. And another look at the rear quarter on this side. Beauty. Yeah, that is wide. And we have touch comfort access on both door handles, so once I open that up, I can see the windows are tinted, and we've got nice beautiful door panel in here with some contrast stitching in red, Fiona Red interior. We've got some flamingo ambient light going on with some galvanic controls. Harman Kardon sound system is here, big deep door pockets, M4 aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. We also have the under the thigh extension here. And on this side, we've got your illuminating M4 on the headrest. Headrest power is also height. We also have the M color seat belts here. And also just wanted you to look at this. Red contrast stitching on the dash, new style vents, carbon fiber interior trim with the new cascading ambient light, full merino leather everywhere. So door panels, lower portion, this area is also in leather. So on the shoulder, if I lift this up and put it into the acute angle, it will move forward, allowing us space to get into the rear area. Back here, we also have a little bit of storage space, more Fiona Red everywhere. We've also got the coat hanger on here, and we've got the M tricolor seatbelts in the back, and we've got the beautiful Fiona Red seats, pass-through through the center, two seat belts in the back. There's some vents on the back of the center console with your optional winter mats. More vents are underneath there. And when I put the seat back into the acute angle, or sorry, into the recline angle, it'll return back to where it previously was. And we have iDrive operating system 8.5 with the M-specific display. There's some flamingo cascading ambient light. And down here, under this carbon fiber, we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holder, 12-volt plug. There's a traction off button. There's a red push start button. There's a gear selector with M on the top with the M tricolors. And underneath your center console, we have USB Type-C, and we have some M drift knee pads. There's your glove box, and there's the tow hook cover where the tow hook front plate mount is. So now that we've had a look at all this, let's go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, inside of here, more red stitching, more Harman Kardon, more galvanic controls, memory seats, window controls, side mirror controls are here. There's a tailgate release down here so you can push it to open, pull and hold it to close while the key is inside. More pockets, M4 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, and one more gratuitous look at these awesome seats. We got the black headliner up there. We have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock, carbon fiber on the actual face. We got the cruise control stuff, so this has assisted driving plus, so cruise control, mitigating speed, distance to the car in front of you, steering for you, changing lanes for you, and that can be done with no hands on the steering wheel. We've also got M1 config, M2 config here. Carbon fiber paddle shifters with the red grips on the back. So that looks sweet. We also have the head-up display, and this car can also automatically back park and parallel park, and you have a 360 cam, and you can also use digital key, so you can touch the key touch your phone once it's a key onto the door handle to lock or unlock, or place it in the tray there to start. So that looks good, and look at this. Just behind the screen here, you got some red stitching over here as well. That looks sweet. Storage compartment down here, and way over here, hood release, 2 pulls, 1, 2. B58 beside us. So when we lift this up, we don't have to find anything underneath here. There it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo. We have 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque, and there we have the triangular strut brace. There's your positive battery terminal. Underneath that cap, negative battery terminal. Washer fluid goes over there. What an absolute beast this is. And as you know, BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. So it just means that they both have to close at the same time to latch properly. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway, you literally just have to send it. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm gonna do one more final lap all the way around the car. One more headlight shimmer there. Dravit Grey with Fiona looks pretty awesome. It's a really awesome paint. Today in this video, because we're inside of the delivery bay with a little bit low light conditions, you're seeing way more of the gray color on this paint, but definitely when the sun hits it, there's all kinds of amber flake in that paint, and it just shimmers and it looks amazing. But in lower lights, this is definitely in gray color. So, how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Dravit Grey Metallic with the Fiona Red interior. How do you like the spec? I think the spec is perfect. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.